Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Bullet Journal. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two popular productivity systems. Notion offers a highly customizable digital workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, while the Bullet Journal provides a flexible, analog method for organizing your life. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which approach might best suit your personal and professional needs, helping you make an informed decision. Notion stands out as a powerful digital tool, offering unparalleled flexibility. You can create intricate databases to track everything from daily habits to complex projects, and embed rich media like images and videos. Its collaborative features allow multiple users to work seamlessly together, making it ideal for teams. Plus, with thousands of pre-built templates available, you can quickly set up a system tailored to almost any purpose, saving you valuable time. Conversely, the Bullet Journal champions analog simplicity and mindfulness. All you need is a notebook and a pen to begin organizing your thoughts and tasks. Its rapid logging system, using simple symbols for tasks, events, and notes, promotes efficiency and reduces digital distractions. This physical method encourages creativity through personal handwriting and unique layouts, offering a refreshing break from screens and fostering a deeper connection with your planning process. So, how do you choose? If you thrive in a digital environment, require extensive customization, and collaborate frequently, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if you prefer a distraction-free, hands-on approach that encourages mindfulness and creativity, the Bullet Journal could be perfect. Both systems offer distinct advantages for boosting productivity. We encourage you to experiment with each to discover which method truly aligns with your unique workflow and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.